Hi, this is Michelle Mitchell, and welcome to another episode of Tuesday Tips. Today, we will be talking about how to record a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online, you can either record an invoice that goes to your customer or a sales receipt. The difference between an invoice that goes to your customer and a sales receipt that goes to your customer is that the sales receipt records the invoice and the payment of the invoice at the same time. So, for instance, if you provided some services to a client and you send them an invoice that will be paid at a later date, that's an invoice, and it takes 2 transactions in order to record the payment for that invoice. If you are providing services to a client and they are paying you on the spot, you will record a sales receipt. And this is what a sales receipt looks like. It's almost exactly like a invoice, except that you are going to actually receive the payment at the same time. So let's say we did some services for Cool Cars, and we did it today, and they are going to pay us in cash. So the way you record a cash transaction in QuickBooks Online is that you create the invoice, the sales receipt, the same way you would normally. Put in your product description and how much you are charging them for that service. So your total invoice right now is $250, and you're going to receive this payment. It's in cash. My suggestion would be that you deposit these funds within QuickBooks in the holding account that is undeposited funds. So you think about undeposited funds as, let's say you have an envelope that you put all of your checks in for the week and you only go to the bank once a week. So it's just a holding account until you get to the bank. That way your bank transaction and the transactions that you record in QuickBooks Online are the same. So we use this holding account because we're not sure how much more money we will be receiving for the week. So once you click on Save and send the invoice to the client, that transaction has been completed, and now here's your template to send the sales receipt. And as you can see, the balance here is 0 for the client. So we have recorded the services and also received the payment. So this is one way you can speed up how long it takes for you to receive payment from your client. So instead of waiting for them to pay you at a later date, you can actually receive the payment today. So if we go to the deposit screen and look at our deposits, we'll see that that transaction we just created for $250 is right here waiting for the rest of the deposits for the week to be recorded. So let's say you go to the bank on Friday, the 27th. So you would just select all of the transactions that are in the holding account, and you will record it into your bank account within QuickBooks Online. And now your bank account at the bank and QuickBooks Online has the same recorded transactions. So this is just another tip from Tuesday Tips. I want to thank you for taking time to watch the video. If you need assistance with any of your bookkeeping or QuickBooks Online, Mitchell Consulting is the way to go. You can reach us at www.mitchellconsultingservice.com. Thank you and have a great day.